Most people think turning $1,000 into $10,000 online is some kind of fantasy. They scroll through success stories thinking it only happens to lucky people, or people with connections, or people who already have money. But what if I told you there's a real step-by-step system that anyone can follow, and I'm going to walk you through every single piece of it today? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to have a complete roadmap in your hands. Welcome back to NextGen, the channel where we don't talk theory, we talk strategy. I'm glad you're here today because this is one of those videos that can genuinely change the direction of your financial life. We're talking about taking $1,000, money that most people already have sitting somewhere, and turning it into $10,000 through online methods that are working right now in 2026. No get-rich-quick nonsense, no overnight promises, just a real plan broken down step by step. Let's get into it. First, let me tell you the biggest mistake people make when they have $1,000 to invest online. They split it up. They throw $200 here, $300 there, try 5 different things at once, and end up with 5 half efforts and 0 results. The secret to making this work is focus. You pick one path, you go all in on it, and you follow the system. That's exactly what we're going to build today. So here's the plan. I'm going to break this down into 4 phases. Each phase builds on the last, and together they create a compounding engine that can realistically take your $1,000 to $10,000 and beyond. Phase 1, the foundation. Spend $0 to $200. Before you spend a single dollar, you need to build your knowledge base. In 2026, the most profitable online skills are content creation, digital marketing, e-commerce, and AI-powered services. Pick one, just one. Spend your first $100 to $200 on a high-quality course in your chosen area. Not just any course, look for instructors with verified results, recent content, and strong community support. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even YouTube itself have incredible resources. This investment in learning is the foundation everything else is built on. Without it, you're building on sand. While you're learning, start documenting. Create a free account on a platform, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, X, or Instagram, and start sharing what you're learning. This does 2 things. It builds your audience early, and it forces you to understand the material on a deeper level. Teaching is the fastest way to master anything. Phase 2, the launch. Spend $200 to $500. Now you're ready to launch something real. Based on what you've learned, this is where you build your first income stream. Let me give you the 3 most powerful options working in 2026. Option 1 is freelancing with AI tools. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are exploding with demand for people who know how to use AI tools like Claude, Midjourney, and automation software. If you've spent phase 1 learning these tools, you can charge $50 to $300 per project doing things like content writing, graphic design, video editing, or business automation. Use $200 to $300 of your budget here to get professional profile photos, a portfolio website, and any paid tools you need to deliver premium work. Option 2 is print on demand or dropshipping. With $300 to $500, you can set up a Shopify store, connect it to a print-on-demand supplier like Printify or Printful, and start selling custom products without holding any inventory. Use AI tools to generate winning designs, research trending niches, and write compelling product descriptions. Your startup costs cover the store subscription, a domain name, and your first round of ads. Option 3 is digital products. This is my personal favorite because once you create it, it sells forever. Ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, Canva packs, prompt libraries for AI. These are all selling like crazy right now. You can create one high-quality digital product for almost nothing and sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Use your budget for design tools and a small marketing push. Choose the option that fits your skills and interests. Commitment matters more than which option you pick. Phase 3, the growth engine. Spend $500 to $800. By now, you should be making your first dollars online. Maybe it's $200, maybe it's $500. Whatever it is, this is where most people make a critical mistake. They stop reinvesting. They take that money out and spend it. Don't do that. Every dollar you make in this phase goes right back into the business. This is the growth engine phase. and it works on one simple principle. Paid traffic plus proven offer equals scale. Use $200 to $300 to run targeted ads on Meta or TikTok. These platforms in 2026 have incredible targeting tools, and with the right creative, even a simple 30-second video, you can reach thousands of potential buyers for very little money. Test 2 or 3 different ad creatives. Double down on what works. Cut what doesn't. At the same time, use another $100 to $200 to build your email list. Email is still the most powerful marketing tool online. Use a free tool like Beehive or MailerLite and offer a free lead magnet, a checklist, a mini guide, a free template in exchange for email addresses. Every subscriber you collect is an asset that belongs to you, not to any social media algorithm. By the end of Phase 3, you should have a system that's generating consistent revenue, not just one-time sales, but repeat buyers and growing traffic. Phase 4, the multiplier. Spend $800 to $1,000. This is where the magic happens. You've built something that works. Now you scale it. Use your remaining budget and the profit you've been generating to multiply your best performing channel. If your digital products are selling well, create more products or a bundle offer at a higher price. If freelancing is your path, raise your rates and outsource lower level tasks to other freelancers so you can take on more clients. If your store is converting, expand your product range and increase your ad spend. At this stage, also invest in one premium tool that saves you significant time. In 2026, AI automation tools can do in 1 hour what used to take a full week. That time savings is pure profit. Also, don't forget to diversify your income streams slightly, not widely, but slightly. If you're a freelancer, create one digital product on the side. If you have a store, start a YouTube channel or newsletter reviewing products in your niche. Each new income stream compounds on the others. Now let's talk realistic numbers. If you follow this plan faithfully over 6 to 12 months, here's what becomes possible. Your $1,000 initial investment generates your first $1,000 in revenue within 60 to 90 days. Reinvested, that becomes $3,000 in revenue by month 4 or 5. By month 8 to 12, with consistent effort and smart reinvestment, hitting $10,000 in total revenue is absolutely achievable. These aren't guarantee numbers. They're results I've seen real people achieve following systems exactly like this one. The difference between people who hit $10,000 and people who quit at $500 is not talent. It's not luck. It's consistency. It's showing up every single day, refining the system, and refusing to give up when things get slow. Here's what I want you to take away from today. Money by itself doesn't make money. A system makes money. The $1,000 isn't magic, the strategy is, and now you have the strategy. So that's the complete step-by-step plan, 4 phases, 1 focused path, and a realistic roadmap to turning $1,000 into $10,000 online in 2026. If this video gave you value, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow and helps me keep making content like this for you. Subscribe to NextGen if you haven't already, because every single week we are bringing you real strategies for real results in the modern digital economy. And drop a comment below, tell me which phase you're starting in, or tell me which income stream you're going to try first. I read every comment. I'll see you in the next one.